Public speaking tip of the day. Are you looking for more speaking opportunities live in front of a live audience? Do Facebook Live just with your own friends, your own family. Now, if you've got a couple hundred Facebook friends, which is the average for most people, and you go live, maybe 5 people are there. It's pretty low pressure. The stakes are low. You're not going to lose your job because of it. And it just gets you more comfortable speaking. My recommendation, pick a time once a week where you're giving a presentation. It could be you talking about your chess club. It could be talking about your favorite architectural designs. Whatever it is, just talking about something, knowing that people can see you and ask questions, will toughen you up. It will strengthen you. It will improve your public speaking muscles. I'm TJ Walker. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, go to my Facebook page, or go to my blog, or go to my main website, mediatrainingworldwide.com, where you can download a couple free books and find out more information about live training.